In 2040, the economy will be a circular one. And if your business turns circular today, you will be more successful tomorrow. My name is Patrick Hübscher, and this is Circularity FM, the podcast about understanding, building, and managing circular business models. Hi, my name is Patrick Hübscher, ex-startup founder and the corporate executive who built a circular business model in the Netherlands and Germany. And this is Circularity FM, the podcast about understanding, building, and managing circular business models. I launched the show in 2020 when I couldn't find any real practitioner insights. Now, 50 episodes later, we're bringing Circularity FM to YouTube. Here, you will get series that unpack crucial topics like product as a service, take-back schemes, circular business model frameworks, or the venture capital perspective on circular economy startups. Almost every week, the 30 to 60-minute interviews with directors, founders, investors, and scientists provide concrete takeaways you can apply the next day. Additionally, we partner with leading circular economy conferences like Loop Forum or Circular Republic, so you can listen to the keynotes and panels on the hottest topics in circularity. And we don't stop at audio. We're hosting roundtables where practitioners come together and tackle their challenges. Circularity FM has become more than just a podcast. It's a growing community of people building the circular economy from the inside out. So, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and tell us in the comments below what circular economy challenge keeps you awake at night. Thanks for tuning in, and please remember, the most abundant renewable resource is your imagination.